Okay, in this problem we can see that we've got some simplifying we've got to do on both sides. So on the left side of the equals sign, we need to distribute this 7. When you're doing the distributive property, be sure to consider the signs and to distribute through that entire set of parentheses. Okay, so since the 7 is right next to this open parenthesis, it's going to distribute to everything until we get to the closed side. So a positive 7 times a positive 2x would be 7 times 2 is 14, bring the x. Positive 7 times a negative 1, negative 7. Something else you'll always notice is, you'll always have is whatever the size of the polynomial in the parentheses, that's the same size, meaning that you'll be left with, meaning I've got 2 terms here. After I distribute, I'll still have 2 terms. I'll have a binomial. Okay, so we've cleaned up the left side as much as we can. We're going to come over to the right and again distribute the 5 to everything in that set of parentheses. So I'll have 5x, 5 times 6 is a positive 30, and this minus 13 gets brought down. Okay, I'm not yet done on the right. I can collect these like terms. Okay, so I'm left with 5x plus 17 on the right, and I'm just going to bring down the left side. At this point, check and see if you have the variable on both sides, and you do, so that's going to be our first concern. Because it's a positive 5x, I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides. That'll leave me with 9x minus 7. My variable is cleared out on the right, and I'm down to a 2-step equation. So I'm going to add 7. And then divide by 9. So this fraction, 24 over 9, the numerator and denominator are both divisible by 3. To be able to tell if a number is divisible by 3, you add up all the digits, and if that number is divisible by 3, then the entire number is, in case you get any really large, unruly fractions. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So x equals 8/3.